Aluminum ingots stacked, then cut to furnace feed. Capacitors and small electronics on conveyor for inspection. Close-up label scan.
Materials move into production via automated conveyors. Wide factory shot, cinematic.
Second winding phase, inner or outer ring concept. Close-up, different coil pass. Rotor assembly components laid out: shaft, rotor core, die-cast parts, and bearings.
Rotor PASS stamp. Barcode label applied. Clean shot.
Stator plus rotor marriage. Rotor inserted into stator. Smooth mechanical fit.
Close-up. Motor spins freely by hand. Bearings silent. Macro.
Motor test run. Motor powered briefly. Smooth rotation. Soft hum.
Trimming press removes sprues flash from casting. Sparks minimal, crisp detail.
surface finishing, polishing or powder coating parts. Glossy, premium result.
Quality check. Gauge pins and calipers verify housing dimensions. QC pass.
Other metal parts, down rod, brackets, screws being produced, montage style.
Canopy and mounting plate line. Metal stamping and forming, rhythmic. Motor housing assembled around motor core. Screws tightened. Macro torque shot. Capacitor connected and secured inside housing area. Neat wiring. Final motor assembly test. Voltage applied, stable RPM, and African American male technician monitoring. Motor label printing. Model number, voltage, safety marks, sticker applied. Raw blade material, wood/MDF/composite blanks loaded onto cutting table. Documentary.
Edge profiling. Smooth, rounded blade edges, macro detail, satisfying.
Quality check. Blade finish inspected under bright light. No scratches.
Blade set assembled, stacked with spacers. Neat shot.
Show color variants: black, walnut, white, metallic, quick cinematic cuts.
Remote receiver module test. Buttons pressed. Indicator LED. Macro. Light kit option. LED plate assembled. Diffuser clicks in. Clean lighting.
Full chain switch assembly, if used. Close up chain and switch.
Make sure this connection is secure before it moves to the next station.
Already double-checked the alignment. Looks good.
Motor plus downrod plus canopy assembled. Bolts tightened. Macro tool shot.
Blade brackets mounted to motor hub. Symmetrical alignment. Satisfying. Fan assembled on test rig. Dramatic reveal. Slow dolly.
Spin up test. Fan starts, accelerates smoothly. Airflow visible via ribbon strips.
Vibration test. Sensor checks wobble. Screen shows green, PASS.
Noise test room. Microphone near fan. Silent smooth rotation, premium.
Electrical safe test, earth/ground check, insulation test, a young Hispanic male technician.
Speed settings test. Regulator/remote changes speed. Fan responds.
Heat test. Thermal camera view of motor housing. Safe temperature color map.
Final visual inspection. Scratches, paint, alignment, close-up checklist.
Branding step. Logo badge applied to fan center cap. Macro. Protective wrapping. Foam, plastic sleeve, corner guards, satisfying packing.
This one goes on top. Careful, it's heavy. Make sure it's secure.
Look at the blades on that one. It must move a lot of air.
Yes, but I prefer the style of the one we just passed.
Is the brushed nickel finish durable, and what kind of wood is this?
Yes, it's a high quality PVD finish, very resistant.
Yeah.
Those are solid dark walnut blades.
Hi there, I have a package for you.
Oh, perfect, thank you. You can just set it right there.
Alrighty, have a good one.
(102). Installer switches off breaker at electrical panel. Safety first.
Downrod wiring. Wires threaded, connectors prepared. Close up. Electrical connections. Live, neutral, ground connected with wire nuts. Neat. Canopy lifted to cover wiring. Screws tightened. Clean finish.
Blades attached at home installation. Symmetrical, satisfying assembly.
Speed control demonstration. Low to medium to high. Smooth response.
The motor is comprised of three main parts: the stator, the rotor, and the capacitor. Die-cast housing, big, strong, plus heat dissipation.
Explainer, blade materials, wood versus composite versus metal. Let's look at the materials. We compare wood, composite, and metal blades.
Maintenance tip: tighten screws, balance kit, clean blades, quick montage.
Common issue, noise, show tightening canopy and bracket, practical shot.
Hook callback. Quick flash of copper plus molten aluminum
plus spinning fan. Satisfying. Like, subscribe. Inside the industry. Motor winding or die casting? Most satisfying?